This is a portable leaf blower from Fanttik. Let's check it out. Hey everybody, welcome back to Cruiseman's Garage. Today I'm going to test and review and talk to you a little bit about this brand new BF10 Pro portable leaf blower from our friends over at Fanttik. Now you might be wondering, what does this have to do with motorcycles or garages or automotive? Well, because it's a leaf blower, right? And it does blow leaves, don't get me wrong. But I've been able to find a use for this that I was not expecting, and it's actually pretty cool. Let's check it out. Okay, let's take a look at this BF10 Pro. This is a blower, like a portable handheld blower from Fanttik. It fits pretty nicely in the hand. It's got some weight to it, but it's not too heavy. It comes with these three attachments. It has a extender tube. There is a little rubber tip here, flexible rubber tip. And then there is this kind of a flat, I call it a blade blower. I'm not sure what the name of it is. And these are interchangeable, so the little rubber tip can fit on here just like this, or you can put the extender on here and you can see where the arrow kind of shows you where to line it up. And then you have to give it a pretty firm twist to lock it into place. And then if you want, you could put the rubber tip on this extender tube, or you could put this other attachment. It's kind of like a sweeper, kind of gives you like an air broom, you might say. And this can go on the end here, or it can go directly onto the main unit itself. It's up to you. Now, what's unique about this is it is USB rechargeable. You see the USB port on the back. It has a power button. Now there is a light to show you how much battery power you have. I've got maybe, it's not quite, well, I guess that's almost full power. And to turn it on, you basically just hold this button down. It's actually got quite a bit of power for its size. It's surprisingly powerful. So first I wanted to try out the leaf blowing capability. I put on the extender and the little rubber tip. I probably should have put on the other tip. It does an admirable job. I was using this on the medium power setting, and as you can see, it's doing what it advertises. It blows the leaves. And this is what I need it for. I just need to blow leaves out of my garage, maybe down the driveway. Now, it's not as powerful as my Ego leaf blower, but it's a lot lighter and easier to use. But I have another use in mind for this BF10 Pro. I want to see how good this does at blowing off water drops after washing our little Lexus SUV. Now, I've been using the big Ego leaf blower to dry off the car, but it is so heavy, it can really be cumbersome. This thing is so light compared to that. Now, the object is not to completely dry off the car. The object is to get the majority of the water off of the car so that when I get my microfiber drying towel, I don't have that much left to get off, and basically just keep it from water spotting and streaking. And you can see how the water just sheets right off. Of course, if you have your vehicle ceramic coated, that's going to only help the water fly right off the paint. This is also the perfect application for using that little flexible rubber tip so it won't damage your paint if you accidentally hit the car with it. Now, the only downside to this BF10 Pro compared to the Ego leaf blower is the battery life. The battery was almost completely dead when I finished blowing off this Lexus NX. So if you have a large Suburban or even a large Bronco, I don't know that this would have the battery life to completely dry off the car unless you worked in a hurry. But for this Lexus NX, it's perfect, and it's going to be perfect for my Honda Goldwing for drying it off after a wash. So that's my review of the Fanttik BF10 Pro portable leaf blower. I'll be using it in my garage. If you have any questions about this product, please put it in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate it if you'd give it a thumbs up. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next Cruiseman's Reviews.